Hey, how's it going? It's Jared from Marigold Library System. For today's craft, we're going to be making homemade bubble wands. To make your bubble wands and bubble solution, you'll need granulated sugar, water, dish soap, a measuring spoon, a hot glue gun, lots of straws, a few pipe cleaners, 2 drinking bottles, a pair of scissors, and a knife, which means you should have parental supervision or assistance with this craft. Your bubble solution starts with 2 cups of water. Then you add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar and then 4 tablespoons of dish soap. Once you've added all your ingredients together, mix until the sugar is fully dissolved. Once you're done mixing your bubble solution, we can get started on our bubble wands. For your first bubble wand, take 2 pipe cleaners and wrap them around each other so that they make a handle. The handle should be a little bit longer than your own hand. Once you've finished your handle, you can take the 2 ends of your pipe cleaner and bend them so they make a circle, and then wrap them together at the top. If you're finding that your bubble wand is a little bit flimsy, you can take additional pipe cleaners, bend them in half, and then pull them over the center where the ring meets the handle, and then you can twist them around the handle. For the next bubble wand, cut off the top portion of your bottle. Next, cut your straws into roughly 1-inch segments. Now, glue your straw segments to the inside of your bottle with about 1/2 inch sticking out. You'll glue it all the way around in circles until this entire end that you cut is filled. Finally, repeat what you did for the first bottle, but don't add any straws. I hope you have fun with your homemade bubble wands. And if you like the video, make sure to subscribe and check out marigoldprograms.ca for more programs, challenges, and activities. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.